Hi you guys, it's me again, and I'm coming at you guys once again from my car. I'm literally sitting in the parking lot of Phoenix Salon Suites, which is where my friend Myra does my lashes for me. I usually am the kind of person who does not like to wear very much makeup, so eyelash extensions are totally perfect for me. I'm always on the go, always working out, always sweating, going from the gym to work to picking up my son to doing like activities with him after school. I don't have time to be checking my mascara and checking my makeup and all of that stuff, so I love to do eyelash extensions. So I'm going to be getting my lashes done today, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys my before, and then I'll show you guys after.
Okay guys, so this is Myra, and this is her area where she makes the magic happen. And just so you know, since this day that we filmed, she has moved to another location within these suites, but she always makes sure to make her location very inviting, very comfortable. So the new place that she has, I would say, is even better than this one. The first thing she does is she puts tape on your bottom lashes so that they don't stick to your top lashes, because she will be working with glue. And then she preps your lashes for the application. The whole process takes about an hour, and during this time you can choose to either take a nap or you can talk. On this day, she and I were just talking the whole entire time, and the time went by really fast because of that. If you want to know about lashes, Myra is definitely the person to talk to regarding anything as far as your questions goes. She has everything down to a science, and she will be more than happy to answer any questions as she is lashing you. So once I was done, this was the result. I love my natural lashes, and now I am ready for the rest of my day.
So here's my lashes now. As you can see, they're like really super, in my opinion, they're like really very natural looking. I really don't have very much makeup except for a little bit of blush, and then I put on some powder and my lipstick, and as you can see, it looks really very put together, and that's one of the things that I really love about getting lash extensions. Here are some frequently asked questions answered. One of them is, does it hurt? Does it itch? Does it bother your eyes? No, it doesn't. Do they feel heavy? No, they don't. They absolutely do not. They feel even more heavy, or I feel it more when I wear lash strips as opposed to wearing these lashes. How often do I have to get a fill? I can get a fill every 2 to 3 weeks. It just depends on the maintenance and how I take care of them. Does the glue bother me at all? No, it doesn't. Did my natural lashes fall off? Do I still have my natural lashes? No, they're still there. They absolutely have not fallen off, and as a matter of fact, if I just wanted to take them off and just wear my natural lashes, they would still be there. I would just have to put mascara on to make them look like this, and use a lash curler. Do I use a lash curler now, and do I put mascara on my lashes? No, it's not necessary. As you can see, it looks like I have makeup on, so I don't need to put anything on there. It just looks like I have eyeliner and stuff on. So let me see, what other questions can I answer? Does it hurt? No, it doesn't hurt. Does it itch? No, it doesn't itch. How long did it take? It took about an hour to do the fill. How long does it take to get the full set of lashes? I think it would take about an hour and a half. Well, how much did it cost? So I'll put prices in the link below, so you guys can go to her website or to her Instagram and ask for prices there. Is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. I save a lot of time. I don't buy mascara. I don't really use eyeliner or anything like that. What's the benefit? What are the pros? The pros are that I don't have to wear a lot of makeup anymore. I don't have to spend time curling my lashes, putting mascara on, putting eyeliner on. I just get up and go. I wake up and I look like this. What are the cons? The cons are having to come here every couple weeks or every 3 weeks to get a fill. But it's not really that bad, because it's actually very comfortable in there and very relaxing, and sometimes I even fall asleep or just chit chat with her for the entire hour that I'm there. So Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any more questions, please leave it in the comments below and I will try my best to answer, and then post some more of the frequently asked questions in the information section below. Okay, you guys, take care. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've been inspired.